Good day guys, Rob from Iceboxauto here today. Just going to give you a short video. Sorry it's only short today, but we do have a customer who has to be on his merry way. Today we've installed this CarPlay Android Auto MMI box into an Audi A6 2016 model. As you can see, it's the high G, which basically comes with the command paddle, so obviously that enables you better access in terms of navigating through it, because obviously you've got a nice round command paddle which works fully in conjunction with all these interface here. So as you can see, this brought all of my applications through from my phone onto the system. It won't bring all of them through because obviously you can't play anything like Netflix or YouTube, but I'll be truthful with you, the MMI boxes we sell are the up-to-date version, so you will get the YouTube app, which is on the basic home page of the system, which is when you go outside of the CarPlay. But as you can see, these are my apps here. This has brought me the radio app from my phone over to the system, and as you can see, it fully works with the steering wheel controls, which I'll just show you now. It's a nice lovely sound system in the car, nice boast for the Audi today. Okay, so it also has Android Auto on it, which basically is on the home page, but as I say, this is connected to my iPhone today, so you're always going to get the CarPlay interface. If you go back through the into the original MMI, you can see it works as normal, and obviously if you want to basically go into the CarPlay mode, you just hold on the Navi button, which you've just done. So I'll just show you basically what the home page looks like. 1 second. Go back a couple of seconds. Give you a moment. This is the home page. So if I was to go back to the car icon, which basically takes you back to the interface homepage, but as you can see, this is the YouTube app here. Now the latest MMI boxes have this. If anyone's selling them without the YouTube app, then you know you get an old series. But as you can see, this is the main homepage of the box itself. It's got wire auto, but I will tell you, it is wired. It is a wireless connection for Android Auto now. So a lot of the old boxes only have wired, but as you can see, it's got AirPlay, Auto Link, USB, set up HDMI, front and rear camera, and it also works with a reverse camera. So I'm just going to bring it to an end today guys, but if you got any questions, just drop them in a message down below, or contact us on the details which are within the description, and subscribe to our YouTube account or follow us on Facebook for all the latest news, and we hope to see you soon. Thank you.